using VLC Media Player to capture that perfect image. In this case, I'm going to use a media player to capture a screenshot of that perfect part within a video where it shows off what I want to use for a tutorial. And what I want to use out of this video is I want to see the mouse pointer point at network. To do that, I've opened up the video showing that action, but when you just play the video, try to take a screenshot at just that perfect moment is virtually impossible. So let's do this within VLC and let me show you how this is done. Start the video that contains the screenshot that you eventually want to take, start to play it, and then immediately stop it. So we'll start VLC and we'll stop the VLC. And now I want to advance frame by frame. So I use the E key. We're getting close. That's why I said doing this with a screenshot while the video is playing is almost impossible. And there is that perfect shot. So once we've gotten it to the correct frame, next, select video. And on the bottom it says take screenshot. Select it, and it's now taken a screenshot. Next, we'll go to the folder where that screenshot is saved so I can show you exactly what screenshot it took. It's in the pictures, and then under screenshots, and there's the picture it just took. And as you can see, I'll now have it captured with the pointer pointing right at network, which is what I needed. One way to use VLC to capture that perfect moment. In this case, it was for a tutorial, but it could be from a movie scene or just from perfect shot of a part of your vacation, whatever you decide to use it for. One way to use VLC for more than just watching your video or listening to music. There are lots of tools within VLC. If you haven't used it, go explore, learn something new. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.